mixed fireballs are freestanding fireplaces available in two sizes, the Mix 600 and the Mix 850. The Mix 600 fireball is equipped with a small AB3 burner which heats around 25 square meters. Its overall diameter is 600 mm, making it ideal for people who want to easily relocate a unit into a different indoor or outdoor space. The Mix 850 is equipped with a much larger AB8 burner, providing almost 3 times more heat than the AB3 burner. The unit is 850 mm wide and 319 high, perfect as a centerpiece outdoors, for example. The Pod series come also in two sizes, the Pod 30 and the Pod 40. Both units are equipped with the large AB8 burner, providing excellent heat for outdoors. Their unique traditional pottery style allows for some table space around the edges. The Pod 30 is 30 inches or 762 mm wide, as opposed to Pod 40, which is 40 inches or a meter wide. The Pod 40 is also a much taller unit, where the flame will sit at 500 mm off the floor. The burners in the Pod series are recessed into metal trays, providing you with the option to add fire screens. Fire screens are great accessories to control the flame in case of a windy environment. All of our concrete units are available in 3 colors: graphite, bone, and natural dark gray. Feel free to get in touch with us if you have any questions regarding these two fireplace series. Have a good day!